What if you weren't afraid of anything? I mean nothing, not failure, not bankruptcy, not betrayal, not even death itself. Imagine walking through this life with a fire in your chest and steel in your spine. Imagine a version of you that doesn't flinch when life punches you in the mouth, because you've already decided you are unbreakable. This isn't just a motivational speech. This is your wake-up call. You're about to hear the truth that most people are too scared to say out loud. But if you stay with me until the end, you will leave with something priceless. The mindset of a warrior, the kind of man or woman who cannot be stopped. The death of strength. Look around. The world is soft. Men are shrinking into shells. Emotional reactions have replaced rational thinking. We raise generations that need safe spaces from words. Words. That's what breaks people now. Not war, not hunger, not pain, but someone's opinion. And they wonder why they're depressed. They wonder why they can't lead, can't win, can't rise. In 1986, the average man's handshake was 118 pounds of pressure. By 2016, it dropped to 96 pounds. Testosterone levels and sperm counts are falling fast. Why? Because we are not building warriors anymore. We are building apologizers. The truth about fear. Let me tell you something about fear. It's a lie, a cage, false expectations appearing real. And we feed it daily. We let it dictate our choices, our relationships, our dreams. But here's the raw truth. The moment you become fearless, your life becomes limitless. When you stop reacting emotionally to every challenge, every insult, every little storm, you unlock a level of power most people will never taste. Power is restraint. Power is when you could lash out, but you don't. Power is observing, deciding, and acting with ruthless clarity. Why most people stay weak? Most people suffer because they emotionally react to everything. They let words cut them like knives. They carry guilt, shame, and fear like chains. They want to please everyone and end up pleasing no one, not even themselves. You have to stop caring what people think. Seriously. Your freedom begins the day you drop that weight. Every successful person you admire made a decision to stop giving a damn about society's opinion. And if you can reduce your emotional reactivity by even 10%, your life will begin to shift dramatically. The discipline of winning. You want to know what separates high performers from everyone else? It's not talent, it's not luck. It's consistency, focus, and standards. Real winners manage their time with military precision. They don't go to bed with tasks left undone. They don't let distractions dictate their schedule. They live by a code. Sam Walton had the sundown rule. No task left unhandled by the end of the day. Adopt that. Own your calendar. Track your goals. Check your results, and if you're not producing, ask yourself why. You either grow or you rot. There's no middle ground. Pain is not a stop sign. You think pain is a signal to stop. It's not. It's a signal to push harder. Pain is the tax on greatness. It's the evidence that you're growing. People cry about speed bumps in life. I broke a leg. I had a breakup. I lost money. Listen to me. Life doesn't care. No one's coming to rescue you. When I was on a drip, barely breathing, I still showed up for my meeting. That's the standard. You either committed or you're not. Excuses don't build empires. Grit does. Sacrifice does. Pain fuels greatness. Only the weak avoid it. Stop making excuses for weakness. Some of you were never programmed for success, and that's not your fault. But staying that way is your fault. Tiger Woods was swinging golf clubs at 3. The Williams sisters were bred for dominance. But what about you? What have you done to program yourself or your kids for excellence? Your parents might have just hoped you survived. But now you're an adult. It's your job to reprogram yourself. No one's coming. Not your mom, not your boss, not the government. It's on you. Start today. Rewire your habits. Burn the excuses. The awakening begins now. I believe with all my heart that you were put here to become everything you're capable of. Not a fraction, not a shadow, but all of it. You were born for more. But you'll never get there being soft. You'll never get there being liked. You get there by becoming hard, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. You get there by standing up when everything inside you wants to quit. So today, right now, make the decision. The decision to be unbreakable. The decision to stop playing small. The decision to be the kind of human who cannot be stopped. You want to awaken your power? Then get hard, because this is your moment. And this is Wisdom Awakens.